Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is Sunday, the 7th of April. Welcome back to my little English cottage garden catch-up video. As you can see, the hedge has grown a couple of inches since the last video. It's getting ready for its first little trim. I like to let it grow another couple of inches, and then we'll get it nicely pruned back. So as you can see here, I've not had a chance. It has been so wet and stormy here in the UK that I've not had a chance to give it a weed since my last video, which I said I was going to do. I've not even had a chance to cut the lawn again. Shut the gate, folks. As you can see, really looking absolutely amazing with all this rain. Down here, my geraniums perennial, hollyhocks perennial, and then I should have some lilies coming through here. Look at that. That's lily beetle damage there on the tip. So I'll spray for that. I had some spray come yesterday. If we carry on going round, my beautiful daylilies, some hostas there, just starting to produce the first leaves. And who can forget my absolutely gorgeous primulas? These are my perennial lilies. These are scented and they produce absolutely amazing flowers. We'll carry on going round. It's just starting to rain here. Some more primulas, some more hollyhocks. You see it looking absolutely mint. Come round here. Look at this here. Absolutely amazing red. And the primulas again. These are Japanese anemones, these, which I love the flowers of. And then we have nice lupin. I'm growing several trays of those this year. Last of the beautiful flowers. Here we have my perennial peonies, which are looking fandabadozy. Down there, forget-me-nots. As you can see here, all the weeding that needs to be done. Ow! This is my dwarf delphinium, which is looking really well this year. I've got back here, like I said, all the weeding that needs to be done. Peony again. I haven't had a chance to even get out. I always take the ivy down to probably about there every year, so I don't want it to overgrow the tree. Another peony and hollyhock there. This is my big wide perennial border. Bluebells there, just get ready to come through. Daylilies there. With some hollyhocks. I'm going to plant some cosmos in here and some other plants that I'm growing at the moment. Perennial poppy called Diane Joyce there. Things are getting ready for a spray already. See the rust on there? Absolutely loads and loads of rust. Aquilegia, a couple of those that are self-seeded. Forget-me-nots. Pick this one up. Look at the flowers on that. Absolutely amazing. Then we come down, bleeding heart, tulips. Look at the dandelions there that need being out and weeding. Another peony there. This is probably my best bleeding heart in the garden. It grows shorter than their squatter. All these need digging up. These are bearded irises. I'm going to probably get rid of half of those. Some more primulas. And if we look over there, dandelions. Some more lilies will be coming through there soon. Agapanthus, grown from seed, highborn variety. All the way around. This is called clotted cream, this jasmine, and it smells absolutely amazing, that. So that's looked really well this year. Like I said, this is digging out because I've got an absolutely amazing delphinium there that I'm going to rescue because it's getting really crowded in there. This is Campanula, flowers blue, really good ground cover plant. A few California poppies here, which are looking great. And then we get down here, we have Agapanthus Queen Mum, and the ones I've grown from seed. And then we have my pot grown peonies that are doing really, really well this year. Over here, some more pot grown agapanthus. I have some foxgloves in here that I've self-seeded. I'm going to plant some sweet peas in there. So yeah, that's a quick run around the garden because it's absolutely freezing here today. It's just starting to really pour it down. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse or garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.